What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video. You see it as promised. Let's get into it. And today we have the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Rare Airs. I'm sure you see it. Start off with a little presentation. All right, let's get into this bad boy. Ready? There it is. There it is. There it is. Beautiful wrapping paper. You can't make this stuff up. This is some beautiful paper. Look at this. Anyway, let's get into it. Woo, there we have it. There we have it. Quick first look. Beautiful. Set that aside. You know how we do it. All right. First, we're going to have a look at the box. Ooh. Looks like we got 305 by 220 by 115. Nice. Nothing else. Oh, we got a date code. Little date code right there for you. Okay, nothing else. Just take a look at the inside of the box. YCM sticker. The tray is going to be 305 by 220 by 115. Nice solid box. Nice box. Take a look at the back. Alright. This box is supposed to, it's made to look like it's old. It's, retro box. Yada yada. Let's take a look at this paper though. This paper is everything. And I know they're faking these shoes, so I hope this can help you legit check your shoe. I'm going to make sure I give you a detailed look at everything here. Alright, let's get this back in the box. I'm going to put the box away. Beautiful shoe. Let's take a look at it. Got the one blue lacing. Wow. Take a look at the stitching. Nike Air. And yes, this material does fade away over time, revealing a red swoosh. As you see. Beautiful shoe. All right. As you see, it says Air Jordan on the right side. Left side says Nike Air. Okay. Take a look at the bottom. Nice little black outsole. Beautiful. Alright, looks like also does come with sail colored shoelaces. Okay. Set that aside. Shoelace. Let's take a look at the tag. Nike and the swoosh name and logo are trademarks and your guarantee of quality. Swoosh. Okay. All right. Do the usual. You got the shoe tree, which is paper. Let's take a look at the inside. Rare Airs. Nike men's size 8 logo sticker is on the top, as you see. definitely make sure that I input the tag info. There you have it. XH Factory. Wow. The date is 07/31/24, 09/11/24. Made in China. All right, let's take out the insole here. Let's see what they're working with. I believe I saw these. It's probably black Dream Cell, right? Yeah, I figured it. Oh, it doesn't say Dream Cell. Here are the numbers. Okay. All right. Take a look inside. Gray. All right. All right. Now you guys have seen it. Just in case you guys buy fakes, buy something from the other resellers, just make sure. Look at the stitching. Okay. I love it. I like the color combinations. I like what it stands for, the rear air line. And yeah, I can't wait to get the others. There's a Jordan 3 coming out, and there's also a Jordan 4 coming out. I believe there's also Patent Leather Retro 11s coming out. We will see. I'm not going to go ahead and open this one up. We'll just take a look at it. Just wanted you guys to see it a little bit. Yeah, just a little quick review, you know. Just a little quick review. There's really nothing to show here. It's simple. Look at that stitching. Toe box. Look at that toe box. Toe box is sleek. Okay. Well, all right. Beautiful shoe. Alright, give you a final little look at it. And I hope you guys like this quick video, quick review. Please subscribe and like the video. I appreciate it.